Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, My Lovely Cancer. This is your daily love reading, Cancer. Let's see what is coming up for y'all. I'll be picking few cards from each deck, guys, and I'll be giving a message from your person at last. Queen of Wands, Page of Pentacles, Two of Cups, Ten of Swords. Cancers, today you may be having some visitors, some friends who are coming over to gift you guys. Maybe this may be your person coming over to gift you and propose to you, something like that. Maybe meet you, or if you're single right now, a new person may be coming towards you guys, and this person is very loving and trustworthy. So that is the kind of energy here, guys, and they love you a lot. Some of you all may be having plans for higher studies, some kind of scholarship, something related to study you are taking up. Maybe you are learning some new art, some kind of hobby you are learning, something of that sort, or you are maybe for some of you all you're reflecting on your past memories. You're thinking about your life and how things were going uh, in your life, the past actually. So that may also be the energy here, guys. And this person is coming with the commitment, and you feel good attraction, compatibility with this person, and maybe you are overcoming your past, guys. So whatever the past relationship you had, the past sadness, your memories, you're overcoming that, and you are moving into what to say, a good phase now. uh, you are forgetting the past, and you are what to say, the past is dead to you now, and you want to move on, guys. And your person is coming to you with gifts, or they may be just visiting you to speak their mind, how they feel about you, and you are feeling really happy that they are there for you now. So that is the energy here, guys. Let me pick out a few more cards from the other deck, Cancer. Let us see what is coming for your situation. So what does that sadness, maybe is it due to the past memories, or because of your, what is the reason for the sadness? Let us find out, guys. Cancer, with these cards, I feel maybe in your past, this person cheated you, maybe your ex. Maybe because of those memories, you're feeling sad, but you have overcome the sadness, guys. So, uh, after a lot of pain and suffering, you have what to say, you have found clarity in your mind, and you have come to an understanding, and something very important is coming to you guys, some important message or announcement, maybe the arrival of this person. That may be the reason. Some very good message is coming, so that may be the thing here, guys. So have overcome your past, and you're moving on with your new life, guys. Cancer, maybe some of you all are meeting with friends, just like I said, somebody may be coming over to gift you, or you may be going over to meet them, some kind of communal activity, something of that sort, guys. So you're really happy, enjoying yourself, and you are feeling safe and secure uh, uh, at present, guys. So wherever you are, you feel you're welcome, your person loves your company, the present person, okay. So that is the energy here, Cancer. So you have overcome the past deceit and cheating, what you had gone through, guys, and you are what to say, adjusting to your present. You have come to an accord with your memories. You have digested your sufferings and overcome them. So that is the energy here, Cancers. Maybe this person who is interested in you, they want you to move on with your life. So they want you to accept them in their life. That may also be the energy here, guys. So they are coming with what to say, a proposal or gifts, or just to meet you and convey their feelings, guys. So that is the energy. Let us see what they feel about you, Cancer. What is the message for you from them? I'll be picking 3 cards, guys. You're always there when I need you. You love me. You make me complete. So this person feels you're the missing, what to say, the puzzle in their life, guys, and they feel with you, they feel what to say, complete. Maybe this may be some kind of a karmic relationship, guys. You would have known this person already in your past birth, or you would have felt that you knew them from somewhere when you met them, even for the first time. So they feel they can rely on you, they can trust you, and you are there for them always, guys. So that is the message, that is the way they feel about you. So they are really happy to be with you, they are really happy to spend time with you, and they feel their happiness makes you happy. So there is a good understanding in your relationship, guys. That is the energy here, Cancer. If you're single right now, this person who is destined to be with is definitely coming towards you, Cancer. So that is the energy here. You have moved on from your past, and you're ready to go into a new relationship. That is the reading, guys. Thanks for watching, Cancer. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.